have a little bit too. How are the children of the lady?
The situation is not good. They are still in the process of rescue.
Doctor, I need your help. Child, sorry.
Concentrate on healing. Everything will be fine.
The child urgently needs type AB blood at present.
I have type O blood. I have blood type AB. Why did she have the same blood type as my child?
At that time, your child didn't survive the rescue. She was afraid that you would be sad, so she gave her own child to you instead.
Thank you.